Good morning. Today is day 5 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And it's our 14th series. And our sketch artist today is Crystal Barrett. And she has a matted layout. She has a wreath with some florals and some leaves. It's kind of like a wreath vine. And then she has 2 photos. She's got a couple of tabs, and then she's got a couple of, maybe words or something here, and then her title. So I'm gonna take it, it's gonna look very much like that with a twist, I should say. Okay, so I am using 2 pictures of Aiden. He's a boy twin. And what does he have next to him? It looks like something standing up there. Oh, you know, it is a chair in the back. I thought it almost looked like he has one of those things like what presidents use to talk. One of those, I don't even know what they're called. But anyway, I am using papers from PhotoPlay. Bros Amazing. I think that's what its title is. And yeah, Bros Amazing. Yeah, that's it. And what else am I using? I'm also using one sticker from Work Hard, Play Hard by Carta. So I have this as the framing that's going to be around my mat or my paper, and my paper is this here, and it says, let's see, the other side's hamburgers, the other side of this is all sorts of things. And I'm gonna have this as my background, and then I'm gonna put this on here, and I've cut off 3/8. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down right now. And let's see, it looks like it needs to come this way just a little bit. Maybe about right there. Let me see if it's straight. And then instead of a wreath, I'm going to have a road. And I cut it using 2 different plates and traced it with another plate with just a white chalk pen. It's Galaxy marker by American Crafts. And so I'm using this. And let's see. I can't tell if there's one side that looks straighter or not. I'm pretty good at that Creative Memories circle cutter. Doing it by hand's a little tough. Let's see. I can really see a bump here, but I think I want that. This part looks like the thinnest. I think I'll put it down here. Okay. So I'm going to put this down. And for somebody who does a lot of girly pictures, I bet you didn't think I was going to do this with that wreath. Okay, so I think that looks close enough to the middle. And then I'm going to take my 2 pictures. This one's as close to looking up as what he is. He's really busy. The reason I'm using the road is he has this little motorcycle with a guy on it here. And he's actually playing with some flair. I took him the whole alphabet so they could spell their name and put them on the refrigerator. I did each of them an alphabet and put magnets in them. So I have shut down my flair shop because what I was using to make flair, suddenly I couldn't just print them out and cut them due to my my old Cricut, so I just shut it down. It's like, oh my gosh. It was just too much hassle. I'll have to find something else, because I do have Flair stuff, so I at least do it for myself and my friends. So, there, I'm putting him just like that there. And, yeah, I would have done his name in Flair, but I don't have it. Because I thought, oh, that would have been cute. Okay, so I'm using this motorcycle, and this is from Work Hard, Play Hard, Carta. And let's see, I'm in America, so my vehicle has to be on the right side of the road, so I'm putting this here. Or let's see, do I want it up any higher? Maybe there, because I'm going to have more vehicles. So I'm putting that sticker there because he's got this little motorcycle rider. I wish I could have found one that was a little more colorful, but this, I mean, I searched everything. I'm doing this a lot later than what I planned because I've been searching for a motorcycle. And here, if I would have looked through my boy paper first, I would have found it. Okay, and then I have this skateboard, and it says play all day. I thought I'm just gonna work with this circle by making it a road and then putting things on it that, kids ride on. Okay, so I've got that there. And then over here, I'm going to put a race car. So I mean, he's got water wings on. He's playing with the flare. So he's got the hook up a flare. It looks like there's something right here. I just can't make out what it is. And then he's got the motorcycle. But he's just so cute. I thought I'm going to use this, and I just have to figure out what it's going to be. So I thought I'm just going to take it onto this road because I had two pictures. I thought this will be super cute. Okay, and then from the sticker sheet that goes with the PhotoPlay, what is it called? Bro's Amazing. I pulled out this Epic, so I'm gonna put that right here where she has her, where she's got some maybe little wordy bits here, since it's right there is what I'm thinking. And then instead of putting tabs here, I'm going to use What's Up and put it at the top because I wanted to pull in a little more color because I don't have a whole lot of color. I have, the yellow, a little bit of orange in here, and a little bit of the blue, so I'm pulling a little bit more blue. And my title is going to be, if I can pull it off the wax paper, Caution, Free Range Boy. I thought this is perfect because we don't actually, with all the things that are going on in this picture. So I thought that would be cute. And I'm just going to let it overlap the picture a little bit. And then I'm going to use I had some chip, or they're wood pieces, and they're gears. I had to think what they're called. People call them conchs. Gears. Let's see, I better put this one down first. And so because they're wood, paper, wood, this tacky glue works for all them. And it shouldn't take too long for it to stick either. And so I'm just kind of picking up the easiest places to put the glue, or not picking up, but choosing. And I'm going to put this up a little higher. And then I'm going to take one and put it here under the word Epic. And I'm still here, I just can't talk and glue at the same time. And so I think I'll kind of stick it there right underneath the center of the epic. And then I have a piece for over here. I think I'm going to put the little piece here, for the smaller of the two. Put it by caution. And then my other gear. I thought gears would be cute because a lot of these have gears. So I'm going to just stick that one right there. And then, what did I do? Oh, and to pull in some more of this blue color I have, I've got enamel dots. So I want something else there. And maybe one here. And let's see, maybe another one here. I'm going to put down 4 to keep my embellishments odd over here. And if I can get that off my finger. I'm going to kind of stick it up in the gear. And then I think I'm going to stick another medium one here. I don't have any big and the larger ones in this color. Let's see, so I've got 3 things in the gear, or in the title. Don't want to put anything more up here. I think I'm going to put some up here. Maybe I kind of make them look like they're shooting out the tailpipe. Because who knows what's going on. I mean, we're wearing water wings, we're playing with flare, and we have our little motorcycle there. So I think I'll stick 3 here, because our embellishment's kind of big, so I'm not going to count that as our little things there. I think it looks like 3 of those would fit there. And I'm going to go ahead and stick some up in this little car area. And maybe I'll have them shooting out the back too. Okay. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, I'm down to 2. Should I just put them someplace? If you've been here a while, sometimes you notice if I'm just down to the end, I just decide I'm going to use them up in this. And that's what I'm going to do today. So, because I kind of wanted to stick one over here. And so maybe I'll stick 2 over here. Or 1 up there. No, I think I'm going to stick 2 over here. Okay. So that way I'm done with that whole color range there. All right, so that's it for today. Remember, everybody else that is playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life will either be in the Facebook group where you just see the still shots, and otherwise we will be over in the YouTube area, and you'll just click on that and it will just take you to the whole, anybody who's playing on the YouTube channel, and that you can like click on there and just play them all right in a row, or just pick which one you want to watch. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. I will have close-ups at the end. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.